Hi guys, we are still in Orlando after the most amazing event, you know, with Empower Network, and I'm here hanging out by the swimming pool with the cool Chad.
Hello, how are you?
Hey.
I'm taking a British accent because
He doesn't really. And then we've got the coolest of the coolest.
Hello!
Christina.
Water baby Christina.
Yeah! We're having an amazing time, and you know, it's just basically, it's been just so amazing. I mean, like, so I've had so many breakthroughs, you know, over the last few days. You know, we went to, you know, Disneyland. You know, my partner is with my baby at the moment, you know, hanging out by the pool. You know, if this is what you want, guys, you know, you need to think of what you want. And most importantly, why? Your why. Why is your why? Why do you want to change your life? If you want to change your life, you know, what is it that you're sick, you're sick and tired of? Are you sick and tired of being sick and tired? If you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, then, you know, you obviously need to change something, right?
yes,
Yes? Right. Okay? So if you want to know, you know, and if you want to change your life, just click on the link below, put your details and follow us. Alright?
you found yourself a
I've got a
dinosaur.
little friend.
See you later. Rock and roll.